Today we are sharing with you how to clean the lens. Step 1. We need to remove the cap of the lens first. Lens cap connects to the lens, so you can directly remove it. Step 2. Remove the lens. You can directly screw out the lens in this way. Step 3. Clean the lens. You can get lens tissue or cotton swab wet to clean the lens first. Then use a dry lens tissue or cotton swab to dry the lens. Now it is okay. We can put the cap back if you won't do a laser job later. Now we can clean the another end in same way and screw the lens back to the machine.